morning students. Today we shall start new chapter number 6 of civics, that is political parties. In class 9th we noticed the role of political parties in the rise of democracies, in the formation of constitutional designs, in electoral politics, and in the making and working of the government. Secondly, before we concluding the tour, let's take a close look at the nature and working of political parties, especially in our country, India. Firstly, we shall discuss the meaning of political party. As you can see here, a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on the same policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. Parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society. But why do we need political parties? Political parties are easily one of the most visible institution in a democracy. Parties have become identified with social and political divisions. And thirdly, about 100 years ago, there was a few countries of the world that had any political party. Now, there are few that do not have any political party. Till this point, I am repeating once again, listen carefully. Here, what do you mean by political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest in the elections and hold power in the governments, and they agree on the same policies and programs of the society with a view to promoting the collective goods of the people. And why do we need parties? Political parties are really one of the most visible institution of the democracy. And secondly, parties have become identified with social and political divisions. And thirdly, about 100 years ago, there was a few countries of the world that had any political party. Now, there are few that do not have political parties. Now, what are the components of the political party? Before starting the functions of the political parties, there is a requirement to know about the components of a political party. In our country, in any political party, there are what? Leaders, secondly, active members, and then the followers. What are leaders, the active members, and the followers? Leaders are the people those who led the political parties, and the people those who are continuously active in the parties, they are known as what? They are known as active members. And there are some people in each and every party that do not follow the rules and regulation of party, but each and every time they are just behind these parties, they are followers. And after that, there are some functions of the political party. To understand the functions of the political party, there is a requirement we have knowledge about the election. Is it clear? Election is the procedure in which political parties contest, and parties, what they do? They contest in elections. That's why they are framed. Secondly, parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. In place of any political party, there may be any other party also. It means there are so many parties. They may be national parties, they may be state parties, and voters choose from them the correct one Parties play an important role in making laws of the country. After contesting in election, whenever they come into the government, then they frame or construct laws for the country. Parties form and run government whenever they are selected by the people, and then they form and run government. Those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in the country. Now, in present scenario, BJP is in the government. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister and Congress is in the opposition party. And what role they play? They play the role of opposition to the parties in the power. Next is parties shape public opinion. You will be surprised to know that parties shape public opinion. Before the day of election, each and every party try to shape the opinion of the people, and this type of change may be done by a bribe or via muscle power. Parties provide people access to the government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by the government. This was all about the functions of the functions of the political party. Is it clear to all of you?